Hi friends, welcome to Lovely Sitara. Today we are going to learn some important vocabulary words from the editorial section of the Hindu newspaper. This will help you in the preparation of your competitive exam. So let's start. Our first word is conundrum, which means a difficult problem. Next, compliance, which means following rules. Next, transition, which means change from one state to another. Next, avert, which means to prevent. Next, estimate, which means to gauge the value or amount. Next, mortality, which means death rate. Next, calculus, which means method of calculating decisions. Next, incremental, which means increasing slowly. Next, decommission, which means to remove from use. Next, thrust, which means main point or force. Next, phase out, which means gradual ending. Next, disincentivize, which means to discourage. Next, dispatch, which means to send quickly. Next, procurement, which means purchasing goods or services. Next, robust, which means strong or effective. Next, blend, which means mix. Next, corpus, which means a collection. Next, foster, which means to encourage growth. Next, stake, which means personal interest or risk. Next, enshrine, which means to protect as sacred or important. Thank you for learning.